We are looking forward to homecoming at Bowling Green State University this fall. And you know, this fall marks the 100th anniversary of the Falcon Marching Band. You know, that is a century of beating the drum for BGSU, and we have a lot to celebrate. So I am pleased to announce that this fall's homecoming is Saturday, September, wait for it, yes, September 23rd. We hope to see you in Bowling Green on September 23rd. We're going to have the block party Friday night. We've got Falcon Land before the game. We've got the game. We might even have cannons. Ay, Ziggy Zumba. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor John Waters.
Band, are you ready? Take it away, Jacqueline.